Calacatta quartz stone, also known as engineered quartz stone calacatta collection, is the most popular quartz stone design. This collection went through about 5 generations along with the development of Chinese technology. Nowadays, calacatta quartzite slab is not just a copy of natural calacatta marble, but also develops its own beauty and appreciation. In B-stone, calacatta quartz stone collection for sure is the most important product to offer. All calacatta quartz stones can be made book matched, which means you are free to use it on a large surface or space with no limitation. To meet up with various clients' needs and market demands, and to minimize the waste of materials during fabrication, we develop different slab sizes and thickness, such as super jumbo size for kitchen island tops and countertops. Other slab dimensions and thickness are also available. B-stone not just develops quartz stone calacatta focusing on its beauty and effect, but also with considering on the fabrication efficiency and minimize clients' risk and cost.